All right, guys, quick update technicals for Carvana CVNA stock. $44, that's where it's sitting right now after reporting earnings early and basically doing an offering as well. They did raise capital, 225 million or 250 billion, so $250 million. They raised funds by doing market offering. And I do believe they're going to do it again. They have an earnings conference call 3rd of August. So by looking at, I'm just going to just straight into jump into the daily chart of the stock. So if we just take a look at this chart, you can just glance at it and see what it looks like to you. So to me, it does look like pretty giant cup and handle pattern. If you take a look at the daily, I just want to draw it out. This is a daily chart. So from last August, look at this. We pull back. If we break out of this earnings highs, I mean, stock is going to 70, maybe even all the way to 80 bucks. If we're gonna get this stock somehow above this cup's top, so basically this is the resistance that I'm watching. So looking bullish until this stock breaks basically 40. If it does break 40, I do think that it can come down to test its 50-day moving average, which is hovering around $26 levels. So yeah, it can do that. But so far, we know just by looking at the volume, look at it. After this earnings report, I mean, not much of a selling pressure. If you look at the volume, nothing crazy has gone on. So it can just grind its way up to this $55 level. And if it breaks out, you can have really, really good squeeze day, maybe, or even two pretty good squeeze days, something like that. We saw from 25 all the way to 35. We can see something like this. So that's pretty much it. That's what I'm watching for Carvana. This is the upside level. So once we break 55, 57, I do think it can push towards 70 bucks. But if it breaks 40 bucks, I'm watching 50-day moving average as a next level of support. So options wise, on Friday, what happened? I think, let's take a look. 207,000 calls came in, 100,000 puts came in, and I saw people were buying, but they were buying. There's no like a urgent short-term call buying. If you see like ultra short-term, 1 week, 2 week, maybe even 1 month out, people coming in with a size into certain strike prices, that means a lot of people anticipating ultra short-term breakout or run, but I didn't see it. I'm seeing like January next year, $100 call. There are some $50 calls, shorter dated for August 11th, but they're not like super big size, okay? So, but there are a lot of August, okay, I'm seeing some 45 calls, but these are in the money, and it's not like a lot of people attacking certain strike price. There are a lot of people buying calls, but all around. So there's bullish activity. It was on Friday, so definitely more calls came in. But again, you don't know until you see some people attack certain strike prices. You don't know if they sold those premiums or if they bought it. So, but that's what I'm watching for Carvana. Looks so far to me bullish, just pulling back, resting, basically filling this earnings gap. If you take a look at this huge gap that it created after reporting earnings early, basically filled this gap. So watching the stock to the upside throughout August, but if it slips below 40, watching it to the downside. That's the video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.